Welcome back to another video. This is the Axisflying modular motor video here on Squatting Quads. And today, BoyWonderFPV and I are going to go for a little bit of a race. And ultimately, when you're racing, things might happen. So it's good to have a modular motor with you in case anything was to happen to break on this. Now, I highly suspect that absolutely nothing's going to happen in this video. We're just going to fly around with these brand new modular motors and we're going to have absolutely no problems with them whatsoever. And you're going to think, well, what's the point in having modular motors? So let's run some footage. Now, shortly after this footage was taken, we saw the double wave yellow flags and a safety car / drone deployment was issued. Now, at the time, I was 2 laps ahead of BoyWonderFPV, so I had to come back into the pits, land, because I got this message from my race engineer.
We've seen abnormal motor telemetry. Motor 3 temperature is climbing rapidly and vibration levels are outside the normal tolerance. It's not going to make it until the end of the race. Box this lap, repeat, box this lap, motor change is required. Copy that, box in this lap. But guys, come on, you've got to get the settle better than this. We can't be doing this every race.
So I had to come back and land. Motor number 3 needed to be replaced. It wasn't going to make it until the end of the race. So therefore, here is the pit stop. Now, as we exit the pits, BoyWonderFPV is steaming down, holding the delta time, or the delta speed of 20 miles an hour, but he's steaming down that back straight, and I just about managed to get out of the pits in front of him. The race then ensued, and of course, I was victorious. And the only reason that I was victorious is because I was able to swap a motor that was showing telemetry issues to my race engineer so quickly. If I had to stop and resolder it, I would have lost that race, but as it was, I ended up winning the race. BoyWonderFPV is, of course, loser McLoserface, and I am the champion. Now, for a bonus clip, before you go away, I'm going to leave a link in the description if you want to buy some of these. The performance feels really nice, and it is nice to be able to quick swap them out. They're not going to be for everybody. Some people might call them a gimmick. I quite like that we've got a little bit of innovation in FPV. But before you go, I'm just going to show you BoyWonderFPV trying to murder my Deep Space Seeker 3. BoyWonderFPV decided to panic disarm in the long grass. It might take us a few hours to go and find the Deep Space Seeker 3, but rest assured, I'm not leaving here without it. And if I have to give up something in exchange to the quad gods for the Deep Space Seeker 3, it'll be BoyWonderFPV. YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.